In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text on CapCut PC. Click on Text tab in Editing toolbar and then select Default Text. Default text will appear on your video. Click on Text layer to bring up text editing options. You can delete existing text and type in your desired text. Click on Font option to choose font for your text. Scroll through your available fonts and select one you like. Use slider or input box to adjust font size to your preference. You can make text larger or smaller as needed. You can bold text, italic, or underline as desired. Tap on the color option to select color for your text. You can choose from a wide range of colors or enter custom color code. Scroll through your preset style to apply different visual effects to your text, such as gradients or outlines. Use spacing option to adjust character spacing and line spacing of your text. Here you can choose alignment options to align your text to left, center, or right of screen. You can also align it vertically within text box. In position and size, you can adjust scale and position of text layer on screen. You can move it horizontally or vertically, as well as resize it. Use the rotation option to rotate text layer to your desired angle. You can enter a specific angle or use slider to rotate it manually. Use opacity slider to adjust transparency of text. You can make it more transparent or fully opaque. If you want to add stroke, toggle stroke option to add outline stroke to your text. Choose stroke color and thickness to customize appearance of outline. You can also add background by toggling background option to add color background behind your text. Choose background color, opacity, and rounded rectangle option as needed. Toggle glow option to add glowing effect to your text. Choose glow color intensity and range to customize appearance of glow. By toggling on shadow option, you can choose shadow color, opacity, blurriness, distance, and angle to customize appearance of shadow. When you are done, you can play a bigger video to preview edited text with accompanying visuals. Make any additional adjustment to your text as needed.